Hello, my name is Sanjay. Let me give you a quick walkthrough of the Lawment online mock test and previous question paper series. To access any of our mock tests, go to lawment.com, click on the login button on the main menu, select the LMS that you wish to access and proceed to the login screen. When you log in, you'll see all your active courses listed under My Enrolled Courses. You can try any of the other popular mock test series by clicking on the links on the main page itself. You can try the free demo, and if you like the demo, purchase for immediate access. The entire portal as such has been designed to be as simple and easy to use as possible. Let's take a look at what's inside the UGC NET Law Mocks and Prep series. The first link takes you to a page where the entire syllabus for this exam, the question paper format and the marking pattern have been discussed. This is followed by instructions on how to use this practice pack. Then we have 50 mini mock tests. Each of these mini mock tests has 25 MCQs. These mock tests are drawn from a database of around 11,500 questions covering the entire syllabus for the UGC NET exam. You should repeat all the mock tests multiple times till you score 85% or higher on a consistent basis, which is an indicator that you are familiar with the bulk of the questions in the database. Whenever you open any mock test, you'll see your previous history across all the mock tests, which gives you a sense of what has been your overall trend. When you start a new mock test, you will get 10 questions per page. You can answer the questions. If you're not happy with your answer, you can clear your selection. And when you're done answering all the questions in a page, you can click on the next page button to go to the next set of questions. If you wish to come back to a question, you can click on the flag question button, and the quiz navigation section will indicate your progress. When you go to the next page, all the questions that you have answered will be indicated in gray, all the unanswered questions will be in white, and all the questions that you have flagged will be indicated with a red corner. When you finish the test, submit all and finish, and your overall score will be displayed in the header of the quiz as well as in the quiz navigation section. Moving on, the next section has 75 full-length mock tests. Now these mock tests again are drawn from the database of 11,500 MCQs. And a unique aspect of our mock test series is that they are as per the latest UGC NET pattern, which includes comprehension-based questions. There will be 90 regular MCQs and there will be 2 passages. Each passage will have 5 MCQs. For the comprehension-based questions, apart from the correct answers, we have also included explanation so that you get a sense of why this particular choice is the correct answer. So when you complete a mock and submit all the questions and finish it, and go to the comprehension mocks, you will get an explanation as to why this particular answer is wrong. And next we have the previous question papers. We have paper 2 starting from December 2004 all the way till the latest exam. And all these have been marked as per the official answer keys. We also have paper 3s from June 2012 when paper 3 was introduced all the way till November 2017, after which paper 3 was merged into paper 2. You should repeat all the previous question papers multiple times because we have seen a good number of questions being repeated across multiple years. The pattern for the mock test here also is very similar. Answer all the questions, you can flag the questions if you want to come back to them at a later stage, and you can finish the test whenever you want to end the complete test. And last but not the least, we have also included some basic overview material or reference material which helps you brush up on some of the basic topics that you would have studied in year 1 or year 2 of your LLB. So as such, the mock test and the previous question paper series is comprehensive enough to help you prepare thoroughly for the upcoming UGC NET exam. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at hello@lawment.com.